Oh, it feels so good. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, I'm a designer. If you're new here, I welcome you, and if you're not new here and you're a subscriber, hey girl, how you doing? So from the title of this video, you can see that I'm going to be doing a review of purple hair products to get your blonde together, girls. So I'm going to be doing a review on Fudge Professional, and they've kindly gifted me their violet toning shampoo and their violet toning conditioner. Here's the product. The violet toning shampoo instantly erases yellow tones and damage from blonde hair. 90% stronger hair with Optiplex technology. Sounds a little bit like Olaplex. It reconstructs bonds throughout the hair, and the specialized hair guard targets cuticle to seal them shut in just one wash. Stronger hair, all for it. I'm getting rid of the yellow tones out of my hair, all for it. Absolutely perfect for me. It also sounds like something I actually really need, so I'm really actually happy that they gifted me with this. So I'm gonna get into it. I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm also gonna try and get as much as I can of it in a video. Never done that before, but I hope you guys like it. We're gonna give that a go. So let's get into it and let's get washing my hair. I really don't want to do my makeup again, so we're gonna try and avoid my face as best as we can. Oh, it feels so good. So this is my hair when it's dry, and this is it now that it's starting to get a little bit more wet. So I'm going to put the shampoo in it. It's quite thick. It didn't spread easily, so I had to get a little bit more to spread it a bit more, and then add some water to kind of get a lava going, as you can see there. And then I was just basically just rubbing it through all parts of my hair, and as I'd done that, wrapped it up just so that I can show you guys what it looks like and how my hair is looking at this stage. Gonna wash that out. I feel like it's already giving me a much cooler, yes, yellow tone. My hair kind of looks a bit darker as well, but definitely I think I can see, especially in the roots, they're looking a bit more icy. And this is the conditioner. Also, I left the shampoo in for only 5 minutes. That's what it said on the instructions, so I followed it. And this is the conditioner now. So I'm just kind of finger combing my hair to make sure there's no knots. Again with the finger combing, and then I'm actually going to detangle everything. Washing that out. At the time I couldn't really see a difference, but I think that there's definitely a difference there. And it's really bringing out the different tones that my hair is, and I'm actually really loving it. Oh, kill him. Hi, so I'm back again, and this is what my hair looks like towel dried. It's quite hard to see if there is a difference when my hair is like this, because my hair was blow dried before. So I'm definitely going to blow dry it, do the exact same hairstyle so that we can compare. So just a disclaimer, if you've got your nails done and you don't want to ruin them, make sure you wear gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it and do the exact same hairstyle and take comparison pictures side by side to see the difference, if there's any difference at all. One thing I do notice about these products is you have to continue to use them to get the best results. It's not always the best in the first use, but I will be really interested to see how well it does compared to the Bold Unique purple hair mask that I tried a month ago. So let's get into the blow drying. Now this hair dryer is the best hair dryer ever. I didn't buy it, I actually stole it from my mum, but it literally dries my hair in a fraction of the time, much better than an Afro pick. And I'll put the details below so that you can purchase it if you want to. All I do when I blow dry my hair is section my hair into 4 sections, and then I dry it in 4 different sections. And it's pretty quick with this hair dryer. It's actually amazing. I actually can't get over how quick my hair has grown as well. It's actually mad. So this is what I use to moisture my roots. I just part my hair all over and then apply it and rub it in. And when I freshly wash my hair, I really do not like to put gel in my hair, so I use this Care wax to basically get my hair as slick as possible, because there's nothing worse than putting gel in freshly washed hair. If you only need to put gel in the edges, that's acceptable, but all over the hair, like, it's a waste of time. Gonna go in with the edges. All the products I used I'll list below. And this is my Lee Stafford curling wand. Absolutely love it. You know, not every day do I have time for a twist out. Not every day. So, you know, on the days where I don't have time and I want to cheat a little bit, this is what I use. It gives my hair a bit of texture. It's really cute. This is actually my go-to everyday hairstyle. And the reason why I love a half up, half down is that the ponytail at the top really snatches your face. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. It's like a Croydon facelift, as they call it. Just separating the curls. This is just for a little bit of added cuteness, to hide the hairband, and it also helps your ponytail to sit a bit higher as well. Look at that, it's all coming together. And voila. So guys, this is the finished product. I absolutely love the results. I don't know if you can see it under this lighting, but I am going to put up 2 comparison pictures so that you can see, and I'm absolutely in love. I'm going to keep using this product. I absolutely love the shampoo. It didn't make my hair feel dry. My hair felt nice and soft and nourished throughout the whole thing. There's not one shampoo that I've ever used with my bleached hair and that hasn't made my hair feel dry. I'm absolutely in love with this product. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Yes, I was gifted, but this is an honest review. They did not pay me for this review. It was just a gift, and I'm absolutely in love with the results. I'm in love with how it made my hair feel. Fudge Professional. You have a new stan, I'm not gonna lie. That was my review. I hope that you liked it. I'm super excited by this product. Have a look on my Instagram because I'm going to be posting quite a lot to do with this product. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, do that already so you can follow my hair journey, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.